Alright, so in this exercise, we will install Homebrew, which is a package manager for Mac OS. This is not a mandatory tool you need to have, but it is good to have because it's very easy to install some utilities in Linux. So let me show you how this works. So let's open a terminal, okay? And in that terminal, we'll copy this command, which is to install Homebrew. We'll copy it here, okay? And we'll just run it. All right. So it will ask you password for your machine, and then it will download and install Homebrew. So let's give it a couple of minutes. All right, so we can see that the installation is successful, and we can see it in directory called user local homebrew. All right, so we got this tool installed, and we can also check by doing a which command like this. Just type which and brew, and it should show you the location of this binary file. So that's it. This is Homebrew, and we are ready to move on to the next lesson.